Hi everyone! Good morning! So, happy Friday sa inyong lahat. So, na-miss ko kayo. Hindi ako nakapag-upload last 2 days. Okay. Ngayon, kumusta kayo guys? So, Friday na naman and malapit na ang Pasko. Okay. And then, syempre, alam natin na retrograde ngayon. Okay. So, yung mga hindi pa naku-close na cycle from the past, okay, pwedeng bumalik, okay, or po pwedeng, alam mo yon yung mga taong from the past na hindi pa natutuldukan ang connections is may possibility na makipag-reconnect, okay, sa inyo. Okay. So, kamusta kayo? So, hindi na natin patatagalin. Ang reading natin for today is para sa mga singles. Okay, singles, kakahiwalay lang. Okay, matagal nang walang love life. Okay. Diborsyado. Okay. So, ang topic natin is, sino ba yung mag-aaya sa inyo ng date? Okay. So, this is a single edition pick a card reading. So, sino ba ang mag-aaya sa mga singles natin dyan? Para sa isang date. Okay. So, titingnan natin. So, sa harapan ninyo, mix of oracle and tarot card. Okay. 2 piles again. So, this is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. Okay. So, dating gawin, meditate. Focus on the question. So, sino ang mag-a-ask or mag-aaya sa'yo ng date para sa mga singles natin? Okay, pile number 1, pile number 2. So, pili na kayo. I will give you seconds para pumili ng pile. Okay, so start na tayo. Pili na kayo ng pile. So, sino ang mag-aaya ng date sa'yo? Pile number 1, pile number 2. Okay, okay. So, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile na sa tingin nyo mag-resonate sa inyo, so, hindi na natin papatagalin ng reading. Okay, so, start na tayo kay pile number 1. Okay, so, some disclaimer lang guys ha. So, po pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. And paalala lang na maraming energy tayo and maraming nanonood sa ating pick a card reading. So, iba-iba ang senaryo na po pwedeng lumabas sa ating card. Okay? So, take what's resonate lang and leave the rest. Okay? Huwag ipilit yung situation kung hindi para sa'yo. Okay? So, kung napili mo ang pile number 1, magsisimula muna tayo sa love messages, oracle card mo, and then titingnan natin, next is tarot, and some oracle cards, kung bakit yun yung love messages na nakuha mo, pile number 1. So, start na tayo sa love messages mo. So, for your first card, pay attention to red flags, okay? So, know the warning signs of what an unhealthy connections looks like. Okay. So, meron ako nakuha dito siguro, sa mga singles natin dyan, okay. Napakahalaga na marunong kayong kumilatis ng person. If yung person na magko-court sa'yo, manliligaw sa'yo, or makaka-MU mo, makikipag-connect sa'yo, doesn't have a red flags. Okay, so, ano ba yung mga red flags? So, pwede kasing sa sarili mo rin, you have red flags, as well as dun sa person. Okay, so, ano ba yung mga red flag? Trust issues, okay? Sa manipulation, yung pagiging mahigpit, okay? So, titingnan natin. Bakit pa sinabing pay attention to red flags? Okay. So, siguro yung iba sa inyo is a very naive person, okay? When I say very naive is parang alam mo yon yung hindi nag-iisip ng masama sa tao. Yes. And some of you is not very aware. Okay? Oo. And siguro some of pumili ng pa number 1 is a very kind person also. Okay, so titingnan pa natin. Let go of the need to control. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Uy. For some of you, pile number 1, I already see that some of you ay siguro nasaktan before, okay, or meron kayong tendency na minamadali connection. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo matagal ng single, okay. So, ilan sa inyo, siguro kapag kami nare-reconnect or meron nakakausap online or kahit personal, merong, alam mo yun, merong mga nakaka-MU, is ano kayo, parang, alam mo yun, yung parang nagmamadali kayo to unfold the connections, okay? Siguro, some of you is, alam mo yun, yung matagal nang naghahanap ng soulmates, okay? So, ang sabi, let go of a need to control. So, some of you, trigger warning, some of you siguro is a very controlling or not so controlling personality. So, one of the red flags yun, okay? One of the red flags yung controlling the situation. Kung anong kalalabasan, kung anong magiging outcome, okay? So, next natin, be honest. Heart-to-heart conversations are necessary. It is safe for you to talk about your feelings. Okay. So, meron ako nakita dito siguro, yung iba sa inyo, not voicing out kung ano ba talaga yung totoong nararamdaman. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, if you are a guy or you are a male, a masculine person, even though you like someone or meron ka ng gustong matagal na person, you are not speaking or talk about it, okay? O pwede sigurong, yung iba sa inyo, natotorpe, okay? O pwede. Or, siguro, some of you, pa number 1, if you don't like a person na nagko-court sa inyo or nag-aaya ng date, just say it nicely, okay, na kung iba sa inyo, ayaw pa ng love life, ayaw pa ng connections, okay, o pwede mo namang sabihin nyo nicely dun sa person, okay, kung bakit sa tingin mo, hindi kayo fit sa isa't isa, or bakit sa tingin mo, parang hindi, what I mean is, hindi mag-workout yung relationship ninyo, okay? So, ang sabi dito, be honest, okay? So, malalaman natin bakit yan yung mga love oracle cards na lumabas sa'yo para number 1, okay? So, simulan na natin sa yung tarot card. Uy, the Fool. Sabi ko sa inyo, some of you or some of pile number 1, kaya lumabas ang pay attention to red flags because you are a fool. Okay, you are signify the Fool card. Innocence, okay? So, meron sa inyo na inosente when it comes to knowing someone, okay? Na kilatisin yung person, okay? And may pagka-careless, okay? So, siguro, yung iba sa inyo, nakuha ko lang naman to ha. Yung iba sa inyo siguro dahil sa gusto nyo nang magkaroon ng companion or a partnership, siguro parang tatanggapin nyo yung person whether meron ka na nakikitang red flags doon sa person, okay? Meron akong nakuhang ganon. Yung iba sa inyo, bata pa. Oo. And yung iba sa inyo is, sabihin na natin, a lack of commitment or hindi siniseryoso yung relationship, okay? The Fool. So, tingnan pa natin. Iba sa inyo kasi parang walang pakialam. Yung parang wala kang pakialam kung this person is, yun lang naman yung red flag niya or may nakikita ka. Okay. The red flag dun sa other person. So, tingnan pa natin. Uy, the devil. Number 15. O, di ba? Sabi ko, it's either a Capricorn or an Earth sign. Okay. It has to do with an addiction. Okay. A mental health issues. Okay. Obsession. Okay. Some of you, one of the red flag is being obsessive to the other person. Okay. And if you are signified the fool, okay, meron kasi ditong tinatawag na lack of commitment, which is some kind of a cheating, okay? A codependency. Yes. So, siguro some of you, pile number 1, has a tendency of obsessiveness to another person, pagiging obsessed thinking the other way around, alam mo yon yung parang, sometimes, meron akong nuko sa inyo na, hindi mo naman sinasadya na namamanipulate mo na. Okay? Kasi nga, meron kang gusto na na mangyari sa, kung halimbawa, if this is an early connection, okay? And you really like this person, okay? Ang sabi kasi dito is let go of the control, okay? Let go of control and unfold naturally. Okay, so, isa sa mga red flags kasi yon, pile number 1. Or, maybe this person, or yung bagong kakonekta mo, okay? Pero kasi malakas itong nararamdaman ko na some of you, aminin nyo man sa sarili ninyo, is may some kind of a toxic behavior, okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na hindi tinitingnan or siniset aside yung red flags, okay? Kapag ka nagkakagusto sa isang person. Meron naman ako nakikita dito na some of you is not being honest, okay? Na kahit na ayaw nyo dun sa person, parang napapaasa ninyo. And some of you, meron ako nakikita dito na very controlling na, alam mo yon na, dahil if meron kang gusto na person, okay, parang nangyayari sa mamanipulate mo. Okay? Ayaw mong, kumbaga nababagalan ka. Okay, may iba akong nakita, nababagalan ka, and parang gusto mo is parang ganitong stage na agad. Okay? Ayaw mo na mag-unfold naturally kung ano man yung process ng courting. Okay? Ayaw mong ma-unfold yung process ng, alam mo, yung process talaga ng in relationship. Okay? So, siguro yung iba sa inyo gusto agad, magsama agad or parang ganon, yung mag-live-in, okay, or siguro hindi mo hinahayaan na ligawan ka muna ng person, gusto mo sagutin mo na agad or kayo na agad. So, meron akong nakitang ganon, okay, pile number 1. So, next, Knight of Pentacles, Earth sign. Okay, so meron ako nakita dito, tingnan nyo ha, if you are someone which na very controlling, this is a addictive behaviors and maybe that is your routine na, okay? If sa tingin mo, pal number 1, meron kang kailangan alisin sa sarili mo na nagiging toxic yung kinakalabasan nung connections mo to someone. And nagiging routine na lang yun na palaging nauulit-ulit na lang nauulit yon, kailangan mong ayusin sa sarili mo para hindi siya mauulit sa mga future connections mo. Okay? So, we have someone who is a young earth sign. Meron akong nakitang young earth sign na newly developed pa lang yung emotions. Maybe this earth sign is courting someone. Either you, pile number 1, this is a practical person, a loyal, and a persistent person. Yes. Mhm. Or some of you, meron ako nakikita na meron ako narinig na ano eh, may gino-ghost. Okay? Kumbaga parang hindi natatapos kung ano yung nasimulan na connections. Meron ako nakita sa inyong ganon. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. The Star. Aquarius. Okay. So, some of you pa number one. Uh, Meron nga talaga akong nakita dito na searching for the right one. So, meron akong nakita na jumping person by person. Okay? And hindi natatapos kung ano yung connections. Kasi nga, siguro yung iba sa inyo is merong hinahanap. Okay? Sa person. It could be personality. Okay? Some of you is still healing. Okay? Healing on a past connection. So, meron ako nakita dito. Some of you is praying. Okay. Praying for a special someone. Okay. Maybe your soulmate. Okay. Or about a person. Some of you is a spiritual person also. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Death and Rebirth, Scorpio. Okay. So, meron nga ako nakikita dito na merong dumadaan sa healing, okay. Sa death and revert, okay. So, siguro, yung iba sa inyo is, before, you are a controlling person, okay. Before, you are obsessed person, or, alam mo yon yung meron kang tendency na, a toxic tendency behavior before, ha. Or, or maybe, the person that you are dealing with right now or asking you for a date, if you're a single person, is either a Capricorn, an Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, okay, an Aquarius or a Scorpio. Okay, so any of the sign na nandoon, okay. Meron ako nakita dito na some of this person, okay. So, nilalahat ko na lang ha, file number one, kasi syempre, di ba, hindi lang naman isa ang nanonood. So, there are lots of energy here. Okay, so kaya kailangan kong basahin pang maramihan. Okay, so some of this person is, it's either a young person, okay, a young earth sign, um, a Capricorn, whose age, meron akong nakita na parang 38, 40s, 27, okay. And maybe number 15, 17, and 13 is significant to you, pal number 1. Some of you, maybe this person is come to the process of a death and rebirth, okay? So, maybe this person is a controlling before, or has so many red flags before. Pero right now, okay, right now is parang nasa process siya ng, alam mo yon, nasa process siya ng parang fixing yung sarili niya. Okay, if this is a Scorpio, okay, meron ako nakita na some of Scorpio kasi, okay, is may tendency na obsessing to someone or very controlling, okay? So, meron akong nakikitang ganon. Yes. And not totally opening up yung sarili. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. If this is a Scorpio, this person is not opening or telling or being honest with his or her feelings, okay? Some of this person is controlling, okay? It's either you is the one who is controlling pile number 1 or this person, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Ace of Cups. Ano yung emotional, parang, kumbaga sa simplest explanation, is parang ano siya, a new feelings, okay? A new start of a feeling or emotions to someone. Maybe this person, okay, some of you pa number 1, is starting courting you or nililigawan ko or nagsabi ng feelings towards you. Pero, it's either yung isa sa inyo ang hindi pa nagiging honest doon sa totoong nararamdaman niya. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. The Empress. Earth sign again. Could be a Taurus. Okay. Kung makikita nyo, this is a pregnant woman. Okay. So, pwedeng, ano pa lang to, umuusbong pa lang. Okay. Na emotions between you or this person. Okay. Kung sino man to na mag-resonate dito sa reading na to. Okay. So, some of you, pile number 1, meron akong nakita dito na maybe you are literally pregnant, okay? Or sabi ko nga start of emotions, okay? A birth of kumbaga parang start of a new feelings, emotions to someone, okay? Maybe someone wants to offer a cup of love with a Scorpio, Capricorn, okay, a Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, okay? Meron din ako nakuha dito na some of you wants to have someone, okay, or ready to have a new love, okay, sa kanyang life, okay, and magkapamilya, okay, so meron akong nakitang ganon. So, tingnan pa natin. Cupid's arrow, have faith, love is coming. I told you, okay. Surprise invitation or meeting, okay. So, if you are hesitating right now, pile number 1, okay. Ang sabi, huwag kang mag-alala kasi love is coming, okay. So, have faith. If you are confused right now and parang you are still waiting to someone, if meron bang someone na mag-a-ask sa'yo ng date, okay. So, ang sabi daw dito, may surprise invitation for you, okay, to meet someone. Okay, so don't hesitate. Okay, kasi nga meron ako nakita dito, a new start, a new emotions, okay. So, ang importante lang ditong malaman mo is you need to pay attention to red flags. Okay, if you are the naive person or a representative of the fool, which is may pagka-innocent, okay, pagdating sa love, it's important to pay attention, okay. If you are dealing with more than one person, okay, mahalaga na na marunong kang kumilatis ng tao. Okay. And if nahilatis mo yung tao, and siguro na-realize mo na hindi kayo magsaswak or hindi kayo, alam mo yon, hindi kayo magkakasundo, just be honest, maybe on your emotions, okay? Coffee cup, I told you. Meeting and conversing, okay? Savoring the moment, feeling uplifted friendship. Okay. So, some of you, pan number one, if this is represent as a friend, pa muna, okay, na magiging lovers, okay? So, let go of control, okay? Kahit na sabihin natin na kikita mo na you have someone, friend of yours, na parang may gusto sa'yo, okay? Inaaya ka palaging lumabas, okay? Or aayain kang lumabas, or always talking to this person, okay? And alam mo sa sarili mo na parang um, may some kind of connections na kayo. So, allow the situation unfold naturally, okay? So, don't control the situation. Okay? So, kung halimbawang you have someone on your side na laging nakakasama, laging nakakausap, okay? And laging inaaya ka to go outside, okay? Be honest. If you want this person, tell him or her that you like her or you like him, okay? Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na na this is a new start, or it could be right now this is a friend pa. Okay? You both is parang nasa friend status pa lang as of now, okay? And always pa lang kayong nag-uusap, always pa lang kayo nagkikita, okay? So, wag mong kontrolin 'yon. Unfold naturally. So, kung magkagustuhan kayo, let it be. Wag mong kontrolin na parang, uy, gusto mo ako, yung parang gusto nyo. Parang kontrolin yung situation and parang yun din naman ang pupuntahan na no. Mas maganda pa rin yung meron kayong process ng courting to know each other. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Irreconcilable differences. Okay. So, yun nga yung sinasabi ko ha. If you think na this friend of yours, okay, yung iba sa inyo na you are in the status of a conversation with someone, okay, and you think na parang different kayo from each other, and tingin mo parang hindi kayo mag-fit or magkakasundo kasi magkaiba kayo ng ideas, ng principles sa life, okay, ng values. Be honest. Okay, so yun. Be honest. Be honest to your emotion, be honest to yourself, okay? So, maybe this is what it says here in the divorce or irreconcilable differences card, okay? Or maybe, some of you, kagagaling ng divorsyado na nga, okay? And single right now, kaya siguro lumabas yung card na yan. So, next. Negotiator. Okay. So, yun nga. About talking differences, okay, on each other. So, negotiate. Be honest. Okay. Um, talk to someone heart to heart kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sarili mo, ano ba yung parang ideal person mo, parang ganun. Okay? So, this is about negotiating your emotions, your feeling, your likes, okay, your values, okay? If you are in the process right now of dating or, yun nga, parang having coffee with your friend, parang ganun. Or, meron ako nakita dito ha, meron ako nakita dito. If you are eyeing on someone, especially, if you are, if you have a friend na parang gusto mo, okay, pile number one, ang sabi, let go of control issue, don't beg, okay. So, unfold naturally. Okay? Kahit na gustong-gusto mo siya, huwag kang gagawa ng bagay na parang ano, parang para makontrol yung situations, okay? Para manipulate yung situation. Okay, so pabayaan mo lang kung ano yung mangyayari in the future. Kasi nga, ang sabi naman, love is coming. Okay, so next, hamster wheel. Pero ako nakita dito na parang ano, parang some of you is gambling, okay? Parang ano, siguro yung iba sa inyo is it's either gusto gusto na talagang magka-love life, okay? And some of you is ano, parang walang time sa love life and busy sa daily hustle, okay? Triggers. I told you, okay. Maybe this reading is a trigger, okay? A trigger warning for you to let go your toxic tendency or toxic behaviors, okay, if you are in the process of dating or knowing someone right now. Why? Kasi para hindi ma-manipulate, hindi masabotage yung connections na meron ka right now. Okay, so, ganun talaga eh. Okay, so, if you know na meron kang parang mga unhealthy behavior, okay, so, alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo doon. Okay, so, ayusin mo yon para hindi lumabas yung problem if doon ka na sa relationship, okay. Pal number one. So, tingnan natin sa yung luminous deck. Meron kang 2 card. Balance. Opposition. Okay, so, yun nga. So, be balance lang. Okay. Mirror, interacts, confronts. Okay. Manifest, discipline. Okay, discipline. Conflicts with test, objectify, calls out. Okay, what I'm doing right now in this reading is calling out if you are a toxic tendency or if you have toxic behavior. Okay, file number one. So, this reading is calling out na kailangan mong i-let go, kailangan mong i-fix kung ano man yung mga, alam mo sa sarili mo, kung meron kang obsessive tendency, controlling tendency, okay, not being honest and being shady, that is a red flags, okay, pile number one. Yes, a trigger, a red flags, okay. Maybe if you are a codependent or likes to beg on someone, okay, when it comes to relationship, that's it. Ano yan, red flags yun eh. Yes. Or siguro sabi natin inconsiderate. If you are inconsiderate or some kind of hindi, alam mo yon yung hindi nagiging honest. So, you are calling out to have a discipline, okay, to fix yourself, to have a balance, okay, right now, if you are single. Okay, why? Because soon, love is coming. Okay? So, kung pwedeng iba sa inyo, kung yung iba sa inyo is meron na nakakausap right now and you are in the process of dating, yung iba naman sa inyo is soon. Someone will ask you out, okay? Um, if you're kind of a person na parang very shy, okay, and hindi marunong makipag-interact sa other person, so, ayun nga, confront mo yon, ayusin mo yon kung ano man yung alam mo sa sarili mo na parang need mo ayusin, okay? A mirror, okay? Kasi mirror lang to eh, guys. So, kung halimbawang yung mga issue na yun is hindi mo aayusin sa sarili mo, mami-mirror back lang yon na kung sino magiging partner mo. So, this is a routine na or cycles na paulit-ulit na mangyayari. If hindi mo yon i-address yung mga issues na yon. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Taurus. I told you, maybe you're a Taurus. Okay? The bombshell. Mm-hmm. Oh, you could be fertile right now. Okay, kaya nandito si the Empress. Okay? Some kind of a possessive. Okay? That is a red flag. Possessive, obsessive. Red flag yon. Okay? So, maybe, most of pumili ng pa, number one is an earth sign or a Taurus. Okay? Stubborn. Pagkamatigas ang ulo. Yes. Meron ako nakita na some of you, pa number one, is hindi mo hinahayaan na lumapit sa'yo yung person or ikaw ang unang mag-move. Parang ganun ha, may nakita kong ganun. Ikaw ang nauunang mag-move or mag-make move sa someone, okay? So, sabi nga dito, allow the situation unfold naturally, okay? If you are still waiting or naiinip ka na kakahintay sa right one, huwag ka mag-alala kasi soon, love is coming, okay? So ano yon? Surprise, ayun. Yes. Okay. So, para number one, sa mga single natin, if you are the Taurus, especially ha, soon merong mag-a sa'yo ng date. So, what are, ano-ano yung mga sign? It could be a Capricorn, okay. A Capricorn, an Aquarius, okay. A Virgo, and a Taurus also. A water sign, a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Okay, so I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yun, pal number ko, ano yung mga nakuha mong messages right now sa ating reading, okay? So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, leave a comment kung nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading natin, okay? Guys, okay magagalit sa akin na I know this is calling out. Calling out to sa inyo if you know na you have some red flags, okay, in love life. Siguro, kaya lumabas lang tong mga cards na to kasi nga soon, okay, soon, magkakaroon ka na ng connections. Okay, kaya paalala lang to. This is a reminder, guys. Okay? Okay. So, okay, pupunta na ako kay file number 2, file number 1. So, pwede ka rin manood ng file number 2 if you want. Okay, so sana nag-resonate sa'yo to. Maraming salamat sa panonood, file number 1. Bye! Pile number 2. Okay, kung si pile number 2 ang napili mo, so tingnan natin sa mga singles lady out there or pwedeng namang masculine guys natin. So titingnan natin kung sino yung aayain kang lumabas or aayain kang makipag-date. Okay, so guys, remember, retrograde ngayon, so it could be from the past, okay, or sana new person na makita natin, okay? So tingnan na natin, so mix of oracle and tarot card ang meron ka pile number 2. So first, titingnan natin yung love messages oracle card mo, and then titingnan natin bakit yun yung lumabas na love messages sa'yo, okay? So tingnan natin. Pile number 2, sino ba yung mag-aaya ng date sa'yo? If you are single. Okay. First card. Open yourself to love. It is safe for you to let your heart be seen. Don't be scared. Okay. So some of you is scared to love again. Okay. Maybe, maybe you hurt from the past or meron kang trauma. Okay, sa love. Kaya parang ayaw mo na i-open yourself mo or yung heart mo sa bagong pag-ibig. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Unrequited feelings. There is not enough love to keep this relationship going in a healthy way. Oh, some of you ha, pal number 2, it could be you are in connections na ha, right now, but hindi nagiging maganda or hindi nagiging maayos ang kinalalabasan, sorry ha, kinalalabasan nung connections. Why? Kasi lumalabas na unrequited feeling siya. Kasi nga, someone is scared to, alam mo yon, to give himself or herself dun sa other person, okay? Kumbaga parang tinokontrol mo yung feelings mo na wag masyadong lumapat yung loob mo doon sa other person. So, meron akong nakikitang ganon, ha, pile number 2. Kaya parang lumalabas, hindi tuloy balance. Okay? Hindi parehas yung nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Maybe the other person is genuine naman sa'yo talaga or talagang seryoso sa'yo. Pero ikaw, dahil maybe meron kang trauma from galing sa past relationship mo, kaya parang hindi mo mailapat ng buo yung kalooban mo, yung feelings mo or emotions mo dun sa other person. So, titingnan natin, bakit ba yan yung card na lumabas? Okay, last love message, deepening. Oh, a relationship will finally deepen in the next few months. You have been waiting for this. Oh. Or, guys, yung sinabi ko na someone is scared to love, maybe the other person naman, okay? Vice versa yung sinabi ko. Maybe, you are not the one who is scared, okay? To love, and maybe this other person, okay? And siguro, matagal mo nang gustong mangyari yon na parang magtiwala siya sa'yo, lumapat ang kalooban niya sa'yo, okay? Pero nga, hindi nangyayari kasi nga, someone is scared. Takot. Okay? Kaya parang, kinokontrol niya yung situations. Okay? So, tingnan natin, bakit yan yung mga lumabas na love messages mo? Pile number 2. So, check natin. Tarot card mo. Seven of Pentacles, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. Oh, okay. So, meron akong nakikita na maybe ha, maybe. So, take what's resonate, guys. Maybe, kung sino man sa inyong dalawa, okay, kung sino man sa inyo, it's either this person or you, pile number 2, who is watching right now, is sinusuyo naman talaga yung other person. Pinapatunayan niya doon sa other person na hindi siya dapat katakutan. Okay, kasi totoo naman yung nararamdaman mo. So, maybe, you, pile number 2, is making the investment to this person, okay? Or this person is making investment on you. Kasi maybe, if you are the one who is hurt, okay? From the past, okay? So, maybe magbubunga na magbubunga yung panunuyo, okay? Yung pagkuha ng trust, okay? Yung pagtitiis ng other person doon sa isang person, okay? Magkakaroon na ng results. So, kaya lumabas siguro si deepening card. Okay? Kasi nga, yun yung matagal mo nang inaantay. And yun yung parang gusto mong makamit from the other person, yung trust, saka yung paglapat ng kalooban niya sa'yo. Okay? Mm-mm. Meron ako nakikita dito na matagal na sinuyo yung other person or matagal nang nililigawan yung other person. Okay? So, meron akong nakitang ganon, ha? Okay, so next card. Uy, King of Wands. Fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Maybe the King of Wands is the one who is making investment to other person, okay? Maybe this King of Wands is the optimistic, okay, or the confident one, okay? The motivated one, okay, na sinusuyo yung other person. Guys, if yung person na nanunuyo sa'yo and you are the one na takot magmahal, this person is honest, okay? This King of Wands is honest. Hindi to magtsatsaga sa'yo. This is a king, guys. Hindi to magtsatsaga sa'yo kung hindi to totoo sa nararamdaman niya. Okay? Hindi mag-i-invest ng time, effort to dun sa other person kung talagang hindi totoo yung nararamdaman niya. Okay? This is a very passionate person. So, tingnan pa natin. Uy! Queen of Cups. Maybe, pile number 2, you are the Queen of Cups, okay? You hurt before. You are a very emotional person. Sensitive, okay? A loving, a warm, okay? A kind. A romantic, a faithful one. Kaya madali kang masaktan kasi nga you are a sensitive person, okay? A very intuitive person also. Maalagang person, okay? If you are the water sign or the Queen of Cups and you are dealing with the King of Wands, okay, this King of Wands is persistent, honest, and hindi to titigil hanggat hindi niya makuha yung trust mo. Okay? Kasi alam niya na sobra kang magmahal if you are the Queen of Cups. Alam niyang mature ka naman talaga emotionally. And maybe siguro alam niya na may trauma ka na pinagdadaanan and naiintindihan niya yon kung bakit ganon yung nangyayari between the two of you. Kaya bakit unrequited feelings tuloy yung kinalalabasan kasi nga nag-iingat ka lang siguro if you are the Queen of Cups, okay? Kasi nga nasaktan ka before. Oo. And this person or this King of Wands is nag-iingat siya sa ginagawa niya or pakikipag-usap niya sa'yo kasi nga alam niya na sensitive ka. Okay? So, vice versa yun, guys. It can be this person is the Queen of Cups and you are the King of Wands, or you are the Queen of Cups and this person is the King of Wands. Okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. So, tingnan pa natin. Five of Cups. See? Five of Cups is a card na kung makikita mo, hindi nakikita nung female na meron pang cup, okay, na meron pang cup na hawak siya or meron pang someone na pwedeng magmahal sa kanya. Kasi, this female is crying, okay, crying over a spilled cup. This female is nalulungkot siya over a situation na hindi naman na niya maibabalik pa or kumbaga nawala na, nasayang na, okay? Talagang this is a confirmation na maybe the female here, pile number 2, or someone is hurt before. Okay? And malakas na nararamdaman ko na this is the Queen of Cups, yung nasaktan before. Okay? And the one who is nanunuyo is the King of Wands. Two of Wands. Fire sign again. Guys, pile number 2. Meron ako nakuha dito na kung sa tingin ninyo, if you are someone who is waiting for someone from the past, okay, and hindi nakikita yung present person na nanunuyo sa'yo, pag-isipan mong mabuti kung mag-resonate pa ba sa'yo yung inaantay mo from the past, or alam mo yon, if deserving ba nung person na yon na antayin, okay. And some of you, meron ako nakita na siguro having a decision right now na you are not waiting anymore. Okay. Two of Swords. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so some of you is having a parang, is overthinking right now, okay. Naguguluhan. Kasi meron nga ako nakuha sa inyo na some of you is waiting for someone from the past or hindi pa nakaka-move on. And mas parang ayaw pang mag-let go dun sa hurt. Meron nakitang pinanghihinayangan pa yung nangyari from the past. Okay. And someone is in the crossroad right now. Okay. Or having a decision. Okay. Overthinking. Feeling blind. Ano yun? Naka-blindfold. Okay. Kasi guys, hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung dapat mong makita kasi nga, nakafocus ka lang doon sa nangyari sa'yo before. Hindi mo nakikita, may someone na willing nasuklian kung ano yung love na kaya mong ibigay, okay? So, meron akong nakikitang ganon. And hindi mo nakikita yon. This person or this King of Wands is just waiting, okay? Just waiting on you. Okay? To allow him to enter your life. Okay? If hindi pa to nangyayari right now. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Six of Swords, I'm telling you. Air sign again. Meron kasi ako dito nakikita na parang parang ayaw pang mag-let go sa pain na nangyari before. Okay. And yung iba naman sa inyo, meron ako nakikita na gusto nang pumunta sa calm water, or what I mean is gusto na makapag-move on. Okay. Parang ang hirap, no? You are sensitive and you are an overthinker also. Siguro some of you is has a water sign on your chart and also an earth sign. Yes, meron akong nakitang ganon na sa natal chart mo meron kang water sign and earth sign and air sign. So tingnan pa natin. Hand of cards. Take a chance. Risk. Being strategic. Options. Not showing hand. Gambling. Okay. Meron ako ditong nakikita na someone don't want to risk, okay? Don't want to take a chance again on love. Okay? Kaya nga lumabas yung open yourself to love again eh. Kasi nga someone is ayaw pa. Ayaw mag-let go from the past. Yung iba sa inyo may hinihintay pa rin. Okay? Ayaw pang mag-move on. Guys, meron akong nakikita sa inyo. Patawarin niyo yung sarili niyo. Okay? Kung ano man yung nangyari from the past, is ano yun eh, fated na mangyari kasi yun. Kasi maybe that someone na nanakit sa'yo is not for you. Okay? At meron talagang someone na dadaanin sa buhay mo to treat you better. Okay? Take a chance. Okay? Take a chance and risk. Walang masama to open yourself to love again. Okay? Next. Not enough. Frustrated in relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, jealousy. Guys, I'm telling you, someone is feeling not enough, okay? Crying on a spilled cup, okay? Not seeing the whole picture, okay? Next card. Twin flame. The one mirrored soul pledge. Guys, maybe. Kakatingin mo, doon sa nangyari sa'yo sa past, ayaw mo mag-move on, ayaw mong mag-take a risk or mag-take a chance sa love, ayaw mong mag-open yourself sa love, okay? Kasi feeling mo you are, alam mo yon, you have some kind of fear to love again, okay? Or may frustration ka, guys. Mamaya baka yung someone na naghihintay sa'yo or nanunuyo sa'yo is your twin flame. Flag. Meron akong nakita na yung nagtitiis sa inyo or nanunuyo sa'yo or yung paparating sa buhay ninyo na aayain ka makipag-date or naghihintay lang sa'yo. This person is talagang determined to win you, okay? Or to have you to be his or her partner is kasi meron siyang nararamdaman na some kind of connection sa iyo. And maybe he or she feels that you are his twin flames, okay? Yes. Denial. Not facing truth, irrational reasoning. Okay, di ba? Someone is in denial. Okay. Ayaw harapin yung katotohanan. Meron ako nakita dito na guys, if tingin mo na this person, is hindi ka gusto, or feeling mo parang unrequited, or meron ako nakuhang ganun if meron ako nakita dito na yung kung some of you is parang feeling ninyo is hindi ka gusto nitong other person. Gusto ko nitong person na to. Mhm. Receipts. Sabi dito, proof, show me. If you are, meron ako nakita dito na meron dito na de-depress, meron dito naguguluhan, meron dito hindi makapag-desisyon. Kasi nga, someone, yung iba sa inyo take what resonate, yung iba sa inyo is naguguluhan if gusto ka ba talaga nitong person na to. Kasi maybe, kasi kapag twin flame, runner and chaser kasi ito Kapag ka twin flame maybe someone is running while the other one is chasing the other person. Yung feeling nung isa, hindi siya gusto nung isa. And feeling nung isa is unrequited love. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, maybe you are the runner and this person or this man is the chaser. This man is chasing you while you are running. If kung ano man dahilan, I don't know. Okay? This is a twin flame connections, okay? Pile number 2. So, take what's resonate, okay? Mahirap kasi kapag twin flame journey, guys. Kasi nga, ititrigger ninyo yung isa't isa, okay? Hindi mo kasi nakikita yung big picture. Iisipin mo na parang unrequited love siya kasi yung isa, feeling nung isa, hindi siya gusto ng other person. Pero facade lang yon. Okay? Maybe, ito na yung right time para to show someone that you also want the other person, okay? And siguro mangyayari yon finally next month. Okay, so tingnan natin sa Numinous Oracle mo. 6th house, craft, number 6. Maybe number 6 is significant sa'yo pa number 2. So, maybe this person is in your work, okay? So, nakilala mo to maybe sa work mo, okay? This is your colleague, okay? Or maybe it's time to focus on your well-being or to work on yourself, okay? Yes, so work on yourself if you have issues, okay? Yes, if you have issues, kasi mamaya you are dealing with your twin flames na hindi mo pa alam. Okay? Kasi nga, hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung bigger picture, kung ano yung totoo. You are still in denial, okay? Though alam mo na or nararamdaman mo na yung connections ninyo, you are having a you are in a crossroad right now kung totoo ba to or not. Okay? But guys, this is the confirmation, okay? Tingnan pa natin. 11th house, the edge. In the future. Okay, so maybe you are in the edge right now. Yes, kasi nga siguro meron ditong may natitrigger may natitrigger sa sarili kaya someone is depressed, someone is sad, someone is having an anxiety right now, overthinking, okay? You need to work on yourself, work on your health, mental health, purify yourself, okay? Yes. It can be, you need to have meditation, rituals, okay, to clear your mind, okay, para mawala yung fog o yung pagka-cloud, okay, makita mo kung ano yung totoo, okay, to open yourself, okay, to discover yourself pa. Pero ang sabi dito, open yourself to love pile number 2. Okay? Yung nararamdaman ng other person na parang unrequited feelings, mawawala yon. Okay? Kasi ang sabi, kung ano man yung relationship ninyo or connection ninyo with this person will finally deepen in the next few months. Okay? So, trust the process, heal yourself. Maybe the other person will show proof, okay? Show proof to someone. Or siguro, yung other person na cloudy pa yung judgment is makiklear na yung mind. Okay, maybe through this reading. Okay, this is the clarification for you, file number 2, kung ano yung mga dapat mong i-workout, kung ano yung dapat mong malaman na information. Okay, so this is the clarification for you. Okay. So, sino ang mag-a-ask sa'yo na na makipag-date? Maybe you already know this someone. Maybe this is your twin flame, okay? You have a connection na already with this someone, okay? Some of you, file number 2. So, you need to cleanse yourself, okay? Para makita mo yung bigger picture, okay? So, kung ano man yung issues mo, don't sabotage the connection, okay? If someone is chasing and running, okay? Take a chance, okay? Take a risk, okay? Maybe this person is your twin flame, okay? So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to, file number 2, yung mga nakuha mong information, messages, okay? And if nag-resonate sa'yo, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment, okay? Kung pwede kang manood ulit ng file number 1, baka sakaling may messages sa'yo doon. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood, file number 2. Show some love. Huwag kalimutang mag-comment, mag-like, okay? So, again, maraming salamat. Happy Friday. Good morning. Bye!